Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can post great photos on Instagram. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to go to App Store or Google Play Store and you need to download this application that says Grid Instagram Photo Split. So you're going to simply download it and click on open. Once you do so, you'll be able to see an interface like this that would ask you to enable the 7-day free trial. If you don't want to do that, you can simply click on this cross icon at the top left. So click on it and then you'll be able to see two options. One is Grid that will post your pictures like these. And next we have is Carousel that will split your post into numerous photos. So let's say I'm going to click on Carousel and I'm going to select this picture. And now you can see that we have numerous options such as 2, 3, and then we have numerous others. So I'm going to let it be on 3 and then you can also position it, for example, like this. And then click on this tick icon at the top right. And then you can simply download the images one by one and then post them to your Instagram. So this one should be posted first and then this one and then this one. But if you want to post in form of grid, you can click on grid over here, simply select any image and then you're going to choose which kind of grid you want, like this. You want the 9 one, you want some more. So you can select the one that you desire and then click on the stick icon. So you can simply download all of these one by one and then post on Instagram using these numbers. And that is how you can post great photos on Instagram. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.